Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So we are seeing about the northern mountains. So we saw about the Himalayas, Purvanchal and Karakoram ranges and all, and we are seeing now northeastern states. In the previous class we saw about Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, like that. So here continuing with that, the remaining 4 states we are going to see. So for this first one comes the Nagaland. Okay, Nagaland. So its capital is Kohima. You have to pronounce it as Kohima. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The important city in that Nagaland is Dimapur. Okay, the largest city in the Nagaland is Dimapur, and as the word itself you have the Naga. So the Nagas are the main tribes. Okay children, the Nagas are the main tribes. Okay, this is important. The Nagas are the main tribes, and their main they weave beautiful shawls with intricate designs and bright colors they are using. Okay, they weave beautiful shawls children. So in winter you can cover and keep yourself warm. Okay, they weave beautiful shawls. Next their main occupation is agriculture and weaving pottery. Sorry, the weaving is not there. So making pottery. Okay, so they make pottery. These are the 2 things, agriculture and making pottery. They make earthen pots. Okay, so next one, their important festival, it is world famous also children. It's called Hornbill Festival. It is called Hornbill Festival. Okay, this festival is being celebrated over there, and in your textbook also they have shown the pictures over here. So with their traditional dress they celebrate this festival. Okay, they conduct so many games also. Okay, see, they serve the food, they play games and they dance also. This is Hornbill Festival. Okay, so this is an important festival. The next tourist attraction places are Kohima and Dimapur. So as they are hill stations children, so it is lots of greenery is there. You will be feeling very happy seeing the nature. So the tourist places are Kohima and Dimapur, and the rivers flowing through the Nagaland is Doyan and Diku. Okay, the rivers flowing through Nagaland are Doyan and Diku. So these are the main points of Nagaland children. So next moving on to Meghalaya. Meghalaya is one of the smallest state only. Okay, its capital is Shillong. Okay, its capital is Shillong. Next you have so many tribals are there. Okay, so they are Khasis, Jaintia, Garos, Boros and Kots. Okay, Kots. Pronunciation is important children. So again I am repeating. So there are so many tribals living over there in the Meghalaya. They are Khasis, Jaintia, Garos, Boros and Kots. Okay, Khasis, Jaintia, Garos, Boros and Kots. These are the tribal people living in Meghalaya. Okay, the next one, the language, what language they speak? They speak Khasi, because the Khasis are the tribal people. Their language is Khasi, and in the same way Garos, their language is Garo, and many people speak English also. Okay, Khasi, Garo and English languages spoken by Meghalaya people, and main occupation is agriculture. Okay, they grow rice, maize, potatoes, all these things. Okay, then their main festival is Ka Shad Shak Minsiam. Okay, once again I repeat, the important festival is Ka Shad Shak Minsiam. Okay, and they have the famous dance called for Lahore dance. So we have so many, in southern India you have Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, like that, no, Mohiniyattam, like that. For this Meghalaya also they have this famous dance, folk dance called Laho dance. Okay, these are the special features of Meghalaya, children. The next one, you have waterfalls. So children, have you ever seen waterfalls and played under the water? So it will be very nice experience. So there also you have 3 waterfalls over here. First one is Bishop Falls. Okay, Bishop Falls. Next, Elephant Falls, and then the third one is Nohakali Khan. Okay, so the pronunciation again I repeat, Noha, N-O-H-A, Noha Ka Li Kai, Noha Ka Li Kai. Okay, these are the 3 waterfalls. And main important thing, children, this one. Okay, so have you ever do you know that this Maineswaram, okay, you have the pronunciation is very important, Maineswaram, okay, Maineswaram near Serapunji receives the maximum rainfall in the world, children. Wherever, everywhere it will rain, but this is the place in Meghalaya which receives the maximum rainfall in the world. First it was Cherrapunji, okay, now it has changed to this Maineswaram, okay. You have to pronounce it as Maineswaram near Cherrapunji, okay. Then there are so many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are there. So wildlife sanctuaries, what you can see? So many animals like tiger, leopard, cheetah, lion, so many things. So, and then national parks are there. There are also animals, birds, insects, everything will be there. Forest area. So, the Nakrek, okay, you can pronounce it as Nakrek. Nakrek National Park is situated in Meghalaya. Okay, children. So, in Meghalaya, so many waterfalls you saw, and the world largest place which is receiving a maximum rainfall is Maineswaram, and this is a GK question, children. Okay, Maineswaram. Then you have the national park of Nakrek. Okay. Then coming to Mizoram, children. Its capital is Aizawl. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. It has got rich flora and fauna. So I will tell you what is flora and fauna. Flora means plants, trees, and all the grasses, everything included comes under flora, and fauna means all the animals, any animals you can take, any small to big animals or insects, birds, all these come under fauna. Okay, flora and fauna. They have a rich flora and fauna, and they have the large tribal population. Okay. In Mizoram, you have the large tribal population, and their main occupations are agriculture, that means growing rice, like that. Then horticulture. Horticulture means growing of flowering plants. That is called horticulture. Plants which gives us flowers, no? Studying about that and growing that is called as horticulture. Then bamboo craft. So northeastern states are very famous for bamboo growing, children. So from that they make the baskets, and you get the gunny bags. Okay. Have you seen the jute bags? The jute bags are made from the bamboo only. So they are all come under bamboo craft. Okay. So many handicrafts, design works also they do from this bamboo. And the main river flowing in Mizoram is Kaladan. Okay, the main river flowing through Mizoram is Kaladan, and you have the festival, main festival called Chapchar Kut. Okay, the main festival happening in Mizoram is Chapchar Kut. Okay, and the other rivers which are flowing through Mizoram is Churiyal and Barak. Okay, once again I repeat. Churiyal and Barak. These are the rivers flowing through Mizoram, children. So next last one we will go to Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. So it has also got the largest tribal population and it has got rich flora and fauna. So the next to last one state we are going to see is Tripura, children. Tripura, and its capital is Agartala. Okay, and its capital is Agartala. It also has got rich flora and fauna. And they have a pleasant climate, okay, monsoon climate, pleasant climate. There's also the main occupation is agriculture and weaving, handicrafts, okay, and it receives more rainfall, children, okay, it receives more rainfall. It receives more rainfall. And then next last one is the rivers flowing is rivers which are flowing through Tripura is Bijay and Gomati. Okay, these are the rivers flowing through Tripura. Once again I revise. Tripura, the capital is Agartala and it has got rich flora and fauna. It has got a pleasant climate. The main occupation is agriculture. It receives more rainfall and the rivers flowing through Tripura is Bijay and Gomati. Okay, Bijay and Gomati. So children, this lesson is completed. Northern Mountains lesson is completed. Take your textbook and go through it. Read it, children. All the points are important. Okay, learn it. So many new words are there, that also you learn it. Okay children, thank you. See you in the next class.